Kicking off our list is Boston Dynamics Atlas, an all-electric humanoid robot capable of dynamic movements like running, jumping, and even performing backflips. Since its debut in 2013, when it stood 6'2" and weighed 330 pounds, it has become lighter, more compact, and significantly more dexterous. With today's Atlas model standing just shy of 5 feet tall, this short king is no pushover at 196 pounds. This advanced bot coordinates complex whole-body movements while maintaining balance and agility. Utilizing depth sensors and cameras, it perceives its environment for precise navigation and obstacle avoidance. But what function does Atlas serve? Good question. Atlas explores the potential of humanoid robots in real-world applications, like disaster response scenarios, navigating complex terrains, and tackling dangerous endeavors that typically require human maneuverability. Remember how we mentioned earlier how Atlas has become lighter and more agile? This transformation is thanks to the shift from hydraulic systems to its current all-electric functionality, and its construction from a combination of titanium and 3D printed aluminum parts. Despite weighing nearly 200 pounds, these improvements allow it to perform impressive feats like leaps and somersaults. Atlas represents a significant advancement in robotics, pushing the boundaries of what humanoid robots can achieve. By mastering human-like movements and agility, it's paving the way for robots that could assist in danger zones, perform complex tasks in industrial settings, and navigate environments difficult for other machines and dangerous for humans. Next up, we've got Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, a project that's been making headlines since its announcement in 2021. Standing at 5'8" and weighing a slender 125 pounds, this robot is designed to operate in environments built for humans. At Tesla's We Robot event, we saw Optimus performing tasks like dancing and even tending bar. Let's just ignore the reports that these bots were operated remotely for the event. It's more fun that way. Under the hood, Optimus is powered by a self-driving computer located in its chest and sustained by a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery. It utilizes the same artificial intelligence technology found in Tesla vehicles, including deep learning and computer vision, to understand and navigate its surroundings. With autopilot cameras and sensors, Optimus maps out the world just like a Tesla car does, but instead of dodging traffic, it's navigating indoor spaces. With a carrying capacity of up to 45 pounds and the ability to deadlift 150 pounds, this bot won't be backflipping or winning any strongman or strongwoman competitions anytime soon, but it could take over mundane or laborious jobs, reducing the physical strain on human workers. According to Elon Musk, Optimus could address labor shortages and lead us into an age of abundance, where goods and services become more accessible and affordable. It may not be long before you're interacting with Optimus in the wild, with an estimated release date in 2026. From factory floors to our home kitchens, Optimus represents a step toward the all-around helper we've only seen in science fiction. Until now. Our next bot, Digit, from Agility Robotics, was introduced in 2019 and stands at about 5'9", weighing about 143 pounds. Digit can carry up to 35 pounds. Another humanoid bot built to free humans from the repetitive and robotic tasks associated with the worlds of warehousing, manufacturing, and delivery. We're starting to see a trend here. Digit maps its environment in 3D using LiDAR and 4 Intel RealSense depth cameras. You'd be forgiven for thinking these first 3 bots have a lot in common, but Digit's niche is its use in warehouse logistics and delivery applications, being designed and equipped specifically to be able to walk up and down the steps while carrying those aforementioned loads, weighing up to 35 pounds. 16 brushless DC motors reside in Digit's limbs, 5 in each legs and 3 in each arm. With 16 degrees of freedom, it has the mobility to navigate complex terrains and perform a variety of tasks. This workhorse bot is constructed mainly from aluminum, Theraform polycarbonate, and carbon fiber composites. Ford Motor Company has taken notice of Digit, announcing a partnership with Agility Robotics in May that would see the company put Digit to work in their own delivery processes. A big aspect that makes robots like Digit so attractive is that they offer a solution that doesn't require a facility to undergo massive changes. As industries seek to automate repetitive and physically demanding tasks, Digit offers a practical solution that can integrate into existing human environments. Next is a robot you've definitely seen if you spent any time online. Ameca from Engineered Arts, the humanoid robot that'll have you doing a double take. Ameca is designed to be the ultimate platform for human-robot interactions. With incredibly realistic facial expressions and fluid movements, it's like chatting with a robot straight out of a sci-fi movie. Unlike the robots we've discussed so far, designed to lift heavy loads, navigate terrains, and perform physical tasks, Ameca focuses on bridging the gap between humans and machines through advanced AI integration and social interactions. Think of Ameca as the face, quite literally, of the future of human-robot relationships. So, what's the deal with Ameca? This robot can display a wide range of human emotions, smiling, frowning, even showing surprise. Thanks to advanced motors and sensors controlling its face and body, Ameca can engage in conversations and respond to human gestures in real time. By pushing the boundaries of social robotics, Ameca is helping researchers explore how robots can fit into settings that require a personal touch, like customer service, education, or companionship. While robots like Atlas, Optimus, and Digit are revolutionizing physical tasks and mobility, Ameca is all about the human connection. Why is Ameca a standout? By advancing human-robot interactions, Ameca is paving the way for robots of the future to be more lifelike and suited for tasks that require a more human touch. This next entry is a robot that combines AI with the hand dexterity of a human. Phoenix, from Sanctuary AI. While the previous robots on our list excel at either physical tasks or human-like interactions, Phoenix merges the two. With what Sanctuary calls its carbon AI mind, the company claims Phoenix can learn a variety of tasks in as little as 24 hours. So what's the story with Phoenix? This humanoid robot is designed to perform tasks that require fine motor skills, using its human-like hands that mimic our dexterity. It even relays tactile feedback, how things feel to the touch, back to its operating system, allowing it to adapt and improve over time. This is billed as one smart bot. It learns from experience, much like we do, but without the need for coffee breaks. Why is Phoenix significant? Sanctuary AI's goal is to develop robots with general intelligence, machines that can think, learn, and adapt like humans. By creating a robot that can handle multiple roles and adjust to new environments, Phoenix represents a step towards transforming the workforce and exploring how robots equipped with general intelligence could improve human life. Imagine a future where robots can seamlessly transition between tasks, from stocking shelves to assisting in surgeries, all while learning and adapting on the fly.